Good day, everyone. Welcome to GOS ERP. Today, I'll be taking you through how to set up a cost center under the expense management. So, click on expense management, click on setup, click on cost center. At the top right corner, the first button is your upload button, and this is used to upload multiple cost center at a time. The next button is the download button, and this is used to download an Excel template with the correct headings. After downloading this template, you populate the Excel template with the required information. You then save the file under your document. Then go to choose file to select the file that you have saved. Then click on upload. Then the next button is your add button, and this is used to add a single cost center. And you fill the name, the structure, the description, then click on save. The next button is your delete button. To delete a cost center, you simply click on the checkbox, then click on delete. To search for a cost center that you have saved, type the name on the search box and this will automatically pop up. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in our next video.